Hello, I'm Dominic Schell. I do fluid art for now about over 3 years since the first lockdown, and I'm loving it. So I have a lot of tutorials online. I usually just like to post the videos of the making of and don't speak so much. I'm an introvert. I like to actually enjoy the camera off time. So in the series, we've been doing different techniques on round canvases and then spinning it out. From going with a flip cup, a ribbon pour, a Dutch pour, ribbon pour, and now today we are doing open cup pour and then spin it out. And with the same colors I showed you before. So let's see how it turns out. I hope you like it. I hope you appreciate it. And yeah, like it, leave a comment, share the video, follow me. That would be really awesome. The mediums I'm using is of golden, the pouring medium, a little bit. Then I use Overtroll. That's the substitute you have here in Europe for the float roll. It's a little bit thicker. And then just water until the right consistency. So usually 1 part paint, 1 part of the golden pouring medium, the GAG 800 I think it is. Not GAG 800, but there's a pouring medium of golden. And then like 1.5 part of the Overtroll and then water until the right consistency. And the consistency always looks like I'm showing you in the video below or after. So have a look and I hope you like it. So hello, these are my colors. That's ivory white. The paint is mixed with Baufan latex binder and then a little bit of ivory and house paint, white house paint. Then here we have gold. That's Lucas paint, Deco Art gold, golden gold and gold pigments. That's expert level paints gray of Amsterdam. That's burnt umber of Amsterdam, and that's iridescent gold, pearl white of Amsterdam, and pearl white of golden. Consistency always is just like this. So a little bit thicker. We're doing, and we're working on this round canvas. It's 30 centimeter. What I plan to do is I want the base coat on it. Don't stretch it out too much. And then we're doing a flip cup on it. Probably do a little bit of swiping, just very intuitive, and then spin it out. I just want to see how abstract it can get and what we can achieve with that. So let's see how it goes. Should be enough. As we have our flip cup then there still, or whatever we're doing. Bring it to the middle, torch it. We want to get rid of the air bubbles, that's why we are using the torch at the beginning and in between and after. And now we're doing the flip cup. That's going to be interesting. So I have my colors here. I'll probably start with with what do I start? Probably start with the paints gray. Then the brown, the pearl white, I just dump in, the gold, the paints gray, and the white. So, this is plenty enough of paint. Now we're doing a flip cup. Now we're using a swiping tool. Probably use a little bit of white, of the gold. Now we just spin it out. Now we give it a torch. Now we spin it out. The idea is to get like a very organic shape, like if you would slice and cut a stone. So that's the idea. And let's see, it turned out really beautiful and cool. So if we put a resin coat on this one, it looks stunning. So I give you a close-up, and I like the idea. I definitely like the idea of it. So here we have it. And I think it looks pretty cool. It looks very organic, has beautiful flow movement. We have details. The gold is gonna shine like crazy when we put a resin coat on it. And it looks very earthy and nice.